Wel, prosiect I hybu criced ydy hwn I codi ddiddordeb yn y stryd mawr a siopau a busnesau ac i'r bobl lleol mwynhau hynny. Ond y prosiect, nod y prosiect yw I codi'r footfall yn Saesneg ar y stryd fawr. Thema'r prosiect a diwrnod ydy cerdd Robert Graves ac mae'r cerdd am ryw anifeiliaid neu rhywbeth ddim medru dychmygu yn dod allan o'r ogofau yng Nghriciad.
What were they then? All sorts of queer things.
I took this shop on in May this year, basically because I needed an outlet for all the alpaca wool that I'd got and the fibre. I mean, this is the first fair we've had. And I intend to do a few more over maybe next year, next summer now. It's been wonderful. It's been a lot more than I expected. It's been really busy and the weather's helped, of course. But as you can see, and the alpacas are a good attraction as well.
Woman on the bed. But with this eye, she recognised the young woman at once. She said, Bethan!
Mae rhyw 6 o ni wedi bod yn gweithio ar y prosiect. Wnaethon ni wybod gan Arloesi Gwynedd bod fforwm busnes cricieth a'r cyngor tre ar y cyd wedi bod yn llwyddiannus yn denu yr arian sydd wedi galluogi y prosiect yma sydd yn mynd I fod yn gyfres o weithgareddau.
Dwi'n peintio y cigydd yn cricieth.
Ni hefyd wedi comisiynu gwaith celf ar y thema yma a fydd gwaith Mahywod Bowcott y cerflunydd yn gweithio ar hwnnw ar hyn o bryd a fydd y cerflun yn cael ei ddadorchuddio ar y maes yn cricieth yn mis Hydref, felly cadwch hynny mewn cof.
So mae heddiw yn rhan o'n prosiect Strydoedd Unigryw ni. Yna 2 brosiect arall wedi bod yn digwydd lle. Mae'n gres bod mae'n cricieth heddiw I weld beth mae'n ymlaen. Llwyth o greffta, llwyth o hwyl o falle blant a gwych gweld yna gymaint o'r stryd fawr yn rhan ono fo. Mae yna lot mynd ymlaen mewn sawl siop. Mae'n braf iawn cael bod yma I gefnogi ac I weld llwyddiant y prosiect.
Here with Chwarae Allan Gwynedd. We are making fish and sea creatures from recycled plastics, anything that we can find that we can recycle. We're having loads of fun in this beautiful garden that the community are now bringing together, cleaning up, things like that. It's going really, really well, having loads of fun.
Dwi wedi bod yn peintio gwynebau plant trwy dydd ers 10 o gloch. Dwi ar bod ar yngluniau yn neud o golwg anna fi, ond digon o hwyl a digon o blant, dwi'n gwybod lle mwyn y gyd I dod o.
Mae strydoedd fawr ledled y wlad wedi newid, mae pawb yn gwybod hynny, mae'n amlwg. Ac da ni'n trio cael hyd I ryw ffordd I ffeindio rôl newydd i'r stryd.
Mae wedi bod rei brysur, mae'n dod o dipyn o interest i'r dref. Mae'n bwysig iawn yr y dref ar y map, dydy.
It's gone really well, yeah, we've had lots of new people in the shop, lots and lots of really positive comment. The difference in the shops that we have on the high street, that there's no actual big names really, that it's all independents and that they can get lovely things. People don't get out the cars sometimes. We see lots of cars go past, but you don't see the people get out the cars. So things like today just really help to show people what Cricked's like.
I've set up a pop-up shop today in Tonic, which normally is a beauty parlour, but I've got the front room and I'm just showing my vintage framed silk scarves, various ones, Hermes, Grace and Perry. This is my first opportunity to show them in Cricedd. I think that the high street is very vibrant today. It's been fabulous. I've had loads of people come in.
Well, the day's been fantastic. We've had a huge amount of footfall on the high street in Cricedd. It's been really successful. A lot of the shop owners that we've spoken to have said it's been great for business, and the event itself has been fantastic for the whole community.
Wel, mae wedi bod yn arbennig o lwyddiannus, mae wedi bod yn bleser bod yn gardd y llew yn stryd fawr Cricedd, di denu bron I 900 o bobl yma. Mae dal awr a hanner o'r gweithgareddau i fynd a mae wedi bod yn fwrlwm wedyn ar y stryd fawr.
Be sydd wedi digwydd ydy, mae bob siop wedi dod at ei gilydd ac yn helpu gilydd postio pethau ar Facebook i supportio ei gilydd a mae hyn wedi bod yn ffantastig i'r gymuned yn Gricieth, dwi'n meddwl.